Good morning, friends. It's Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. Today's Tuesday. It's August 23rd, and that means it's time for Tuesday's 2-minute tip. Yesterday was a crazy day. I came in at 5 a.m., left at 8, and still had to call a few people on the way home and tell them I'd get back to them first thing this morning. Crazy day with pre-approvals and estimates, but a bulk of the day yesterday was spent on doing refinance estimates. So I thought I'd share this. Different reasons for doing refinances, because it seemed like I had every reason yesterday. I had one gentleman who had reached out to me that had done a refinance within about the last year. He had gone to a shorter term, and now some of his children are driving, insurance costs have gone up, one in college, so he wanted to do a refinance to lower his monthly obligation. Did some numbers for him. Looks like he can change his cash flow about $1,000 a month. Another gentleman reached out because he thinks that the value's increased enough in his home that he can remove the mortgage insurance and get to a shorter term. I had another gentleman reach out and he's on a variable rate right now, has concerns about rates going up, so wants to lock in a low fixed rate mortgage to secure that cash flow. I had another gentleman that purchased a home just 2 years ago. Value has increased enough that he was able to refinance, go to a 25-year instead of a 30-year, shaving about 3 years off the mortgage, lost his mortgage insurance, and his payment has decreased by $150 a month. Still, yet another gentleman I talked to bought a home using FHA, and he now has enough equity that he's going from a 30-year to a 15-year, losing the mortgage insurance, shaving 7 years off the term, and his payment will go up by less than $100 a month. So folks, rates are absolutely incredible now. These are just a couple of reasons why you might consider a refinance. Maybe before your kids are in school and you're running around to volleyball and football and soccer practice, etc., you may want to consider looking into the refinance before things get too crazy. Or maybe in the fall, things get a little lighter when summer's done. And if you have the time, sit down, call your mortgage professional, find out if it's a time to refinance. I'm Steven Woloszyk from Prime Lending. As always, I thank you for hitting like, commenting, sharing, and listen. As always, make it a great day.